Go ahead. Go wash the car. Are you getting wet? How about the Benny dog?
What?
How about that Benny dog?
No.
You don't want to wash him?
What?
You don't want to wash him?
I gotta wash all of it. Okay?
Okay. Do you shake your booty when you clean? Shake your booty when you wash the car. Shake your booty. Shake, shake, shake. Come on, shake your booty. Let me see you shake, shake, shake. That's it. Good. That's how they wash a car. They shake their booty.
Whoa. Not this yet.
Boy, I have the cleanest car.
What?
Am I going to have the cleanest car?